everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my Valentine's Day gift ideas for 2021. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first one, which is the top ones that I recommended, is jewelry pieces. Everybody know that I love jewelries from Van Cleef, and the one I recommend for Valentine's Day is definitely the Sweet Alhambra bracelets from Van Cleef. I specifically recommended the Canadian one, the Sweet Alhambra Canadian. It's red, and I really love this red color for Valentine's Day because everybody knows that Valentine's Day is all about red color. The Sweet Alhambra size, I think it's the perfect size for Valentine's Day and also the daily wear. I don't like the vintage size bracelets too much in red. Is because I feel like that's too loud. Red is not a small like the mother of pearl white color. It is actually something that stands out from your bracelets. So for myself, for daily use, I definitely recommend the Sweet Alhambra bracelets. And this is dainty enough for people to notice these bracelets, but it's not too loud, and you can use it for every day. And especially this one is very comfortable to wear. You don't feel anything because it's so thin and so light. Definitely recommend this Sweet Alhambra bracelets. If I were you, if I can ask for a Valentine's Day gift, I definitely ask for this one. This piece is a long-awaited one for me as well. I got it a couple years ago and I never regretted it. And another good thing is it's very good for layer, and it just went really great with the love bracelets. So those two, you know, everybody knows that this Hermes bracelets is my new addition. Before that, I have those two together for many years and I've been loving it. And I never took it off. A lot of people have been asking my fine jewelries if I ever take my bracelets off. Actually, I don't. I do it 24/7, not even for showers. Even though I know Van Cleef, they don't recommend us to use it during the shower. They always said the shampoo, the lotions, the alcohols may harm your stones, but for the Canadian ones, I tried many times and I have been using it every day. I don't see any problems. So that one, at least for the Canadian, the red ones, that stone, I can 100% here sure to tell everybody that you can wear it anytime. I don't see any wear and tear. If I put it closer, I think I hope you guys can see it's still very shiny, and don't see anything to the stone. So recommend. Definitely number one top choices. So the second pieces I want to recommend is the small leather goods. I have two things that I would recommend. One is the 6-ring holders from Louis Vuitton. Another one is just like the basic flat card holder from Louis Vuitton. Any colors is good. This is from the men collection. This one is for everybody. I recommend small leather good because for small leather good, I feel like you use it every day, and every time you're using this specific item, you think of whoever gave you this gift. So whether you're gonna give gift for someone else or you're asking someone else to give you gift, I feel like this is a great choices. For key holder, for card, definitely you have to use it every time you go outside. And a good thing about Louis Vuitton is that those canvas is very durable. You can use for many years. It's a long-lasting items. I highly recommend. That's just something that you can think of. The third thing I would recommend is the lipsticks or lip balms from any brands. My recent favorite is this Kiehl's butter stick lip treatment. I love this one. I just got it 2 weeks ago, but I've been loving it, and I don't know how long they have been having this product out in the market, but at least this is the first time I have seen it in the store. So I tried it. I loving it. Talking about the lipsticks, I always feel dry in my lips, so I always have the lipsticks or the lip balms with me all the time. I usually use the fresh ones, but this time I tried something new. Compared to the fresh ones, I feel like I like this one better. The reason being that for this one I got more moisturized feelings than the other ones, because this one has coconut oil and lamb butter, and also it has a sunscreen SPF 30, so it would just my daily wear. And anytime I go in for groceries or anything, I will just use this. It's just my all-time favorite during daytime. I highly recommend it if you've never tried this. And also it has all the colors. Mine is in the Symphony Rose color, and this is the pink color. In your lip, it's just a general daily well-used lip colors, and I've been loving it. Very moisturized, and it has the red color. You know, girls love lipsticks, and to match their different color outfits and different situations, they always switch things around. So a simple lipstick never goes wrong. The last one I would recommend is actually those scarves. I have this one, is from Gucci. I got this many years ago from the Gucci outlet. I have two. I have one in the gray color and one in the pink color. Girls, who does not like pink, right? So I kept this one. This one actually has two colors. One is in the dark pink in one side, and the other side is light pink. It's more of a beige color pink. I've been loving it. You can use it either way. Right now it's very cold anywhere, it's winter, so it's just so nice to have scarf that you can keep someone else warm. I think it's gonna be very sweet and warm gifts for your loved ones. So this is definitely a great gift ideas. You don't necessarily have to have the Gucci ones. This is just what I have on hand, and I would recommend this one as well, but you can choose from any other brands, even Nordstrom brands. It's just something that you can keep someone warm and nice, you know, to give them this warm, happy feelings. Okay guys, that was all I have. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.